In the middle of far with a gun in my hand. What the fuck am I doing high on shrooms again? What the fuck am I doing again? Damn. You sabotaged my love for some bullshit, didn't you? Hope it was all worth it, cause I'm the man now. I told you fuck boys, I'll get rich, you thought I was playing around. And now I'm anti-social, you can't even come around. You gotta pay me to see me, little nigga. You gotta pay me to fuck me, little baby. You don't want my love drive you crazy. She say you 27, what I look like half your baby. Yeah, that shit hurt me a bit, but I ain't give up. I kept going for it, I kept striving for the top and I made it. Look at me now, you wanna be with me, but you can't, cause I see the fake in your soul. Yeah, I should've known it from the start. Yeah, you play with my heart, it's fuck you. I still got love for the people I encounter. Even though I kill you on camera. I'm so vicious, I can't hide myself from the world. I'm so real, I can't hide myself from your girl. If I wanna fuck her, nigga, I'm gon' do it. If you wanna fuck one bitch, nigga, just do it. Cause if she real, she ain't gon' fuck with you. She like the way I move, she say I'm a little screw. Yeah, and I'ma screw her up. I go on drills, and then I show up on tour like what the fuck is my life about? I be fighting demons, I wish that we could blink it out. Cause I know if we could fight with guns, I would win. They fighting with my soul. Yeah, and it's fucked up. My life went movie around this bitch, I had the gun up in my hand. I blew the window out. Seen multiple personalities. Yeah, like if it was a different world, I would be dead or in jail. Heaven or hell.